Hi, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This morning I'm going to be shave testing a nice dainty French razor, a Garanti. Nice case, nice and clean. Um, the thing with this razor is that it's so narrow. You can see there, it's only about 10mm. It's a Garanti 42. I've had about 3 or 4 of these razors and they're okay. So using Pro White today. So what I'm doing this morning is I'm not taking the whole, there's about a week's growth here, but I'm not taking the whole beard off. I'm just showing how little thin razors like this are really good for sculpting and shaping your beard. You can get into all those awkward places, you know. So I'll start with the neck area. So I'll take it to about halfway. It's handy if you want to keep your beard, just tidy it up a little bit. Straighten the line. So you haven't to underestimate these narrow blades. They can do the job just as well as a 6/8. I got a reasonably straight line there. Not quite equal yet. Near enough. Near enough for jazz. But you can get right under the nose. with these narrow blades. My top lip is very narrow compared to some guys, you know. So if I have a big fat razor, I struggle to get it underneath. I sort of scoop it. Maybe it's quite tough on here. It comes off. So that'll do for now. So don't underestimate these little blades, they're really good. Very similar to a Chevette. Just dry the edge of the blade. I might actually just refine the toe a little bit more. Not too much, but just a little bit more. So that's the little Garanti, which means guaranteed in English, apparently. So there I have it, that looks a little bit neater now. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and you'll see this razor on my Etsy listing as usual. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and catch up with you later. Bye.